The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has announced the launch of the first retail digital rupee pilot on December 1, 2022. The pilot would cover select locations in closed user group comprising participating customers and merchants. The e-rupee would be in the form of a digital token that represents legal tender. It would be issued in the same denominations that paper currency and coins are currently issued. It would be distributed through intermediaries, banks. Users will be able to transact with e-rupee through a digital wallet offered by the participating banks and stored on mobile phones or devices. Transactions can be both person-to-person and person-to-merchant. Payments to merchants can be made using QR codes displayed at merchant locations. As in the case of cash, it will not earn any interest and can be converted to other forms of money, like deposits with banks. The pilot will assess the stability of the complete creation, distribution, and retail use of digital rupees in real time. Based on the lessons learned from this pilot, other aspects and uses of the ER token and architecture will be evaluated in further pilots.